Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. This welding helmet has a very special feature. You see everything at first? Now, in the bright light, it darkens automatically. I find this great when doing a lot of welding. As you see inside the helmet, there are controls for levels of darkness. This makes it easier to do long periods of welding, especially when you have a big project that needs to be done in a day. It fits excellently and looks great. It has an auto darkening feature. With this helmet, there's no need to lift up and down of the helmet all the time. It will darken when you need it to darken. It is lightweight, and especially for me, I find it much more comfortable that way. It has a beautiful design. I love things with an artistic flair, even in a workplace. This helmet makes doing my projects easier and more fun. And that's my point of view.